Welcome children, continuity of the lesson. Evans tries an O level by Colin Dexter. Children, the receptionist who had booked him in was not sitting at the reception counter. Some other person was working there as a receptionist. But the change was definitely for the better. Evans was a criminal. He didn't want anyone to be suspicious about him and his activities. So he thought the presence of another person as a receptionist there at the reception counter was good for him. As he collected his key, he gave her his best smile. While taking his key from the hand of the receptionist, he smiled at her in his best possible way. Told her they wouldn't be bothering with breakfast. He informed her that he was not interested in having his breakfast. Ordered the Daily Express. The Daily Express was a newspaper. He ordered the receptionist to get the Daily Express sent to his room and asked for an early morning call at 6:45 a.m. Further, he requested the receptionist for an early morning call at 6:45 a.m. Tomorrow was going to be another busy day. He was going to keep himself busy. He wanted to keep himself busy throughout the next day. He whistled softly to himself as he walked up the broad stairs. While going towards his room, he started whistling. How? Loudly? No. He was whistling softly to himself. He was in fact going towards his room. He had sort of liked the idea of being dressed up as a minister dog collar. He had in fact enjoyed looking like a minister, a trained religious person. Whatever he needed to escape from that jail had already been provided to him. Dog collars, black fronts, etc. Yes, it had been a jolly good idea for McClary to wear two black fronts. McClary, the fake invigilator, had brought with him two black fronts, one for himself, one for Evans. Two collars, one for himself, one for Evans. Front, part of a garment covering the front part of the body. I have already told you everything had already been arranged, but that top collar. Now Evans was thinking, while going towards his room, he was thinking about the top collar that was creating an unexpected problem. Few is an expression used by a person to show that he is hot, tired, or happy that something bad has not happened. It had kept on slipping off the back stud. A small metal object to fasten a collar. The top collar had been slipping off the back stud all the time. And there had been that one panicky moment when McClary had only just got his hand up to his neck in time to stop the collars springing apart before Stephens. Once they faced a very difficult problem. Stephens was looking through the peephole, and that time the collars seemed to be springing apart. But McClary, note, the name McClary has been used. The name McClary has been used within single inverted commas. McClary was a clever person. He used his hand in time to fix the problem immediately. Otherwise, what was going to happen? Stephens was going to see that objectionable thing. But their luck was good. Stephens couldn't notice that a small thing. Stephens did not notice that the collars were going to spring apart. They had got that little problem worked out all right. They had tackled that problem smoothly or successfully. Though a pain stuck in the mouth whenever the evil eye had appeared at the peephole. The words evil eye have been used for Stephens. Whenever Stephens looked inside the cell through the peephole, he found Evans with a pain in his mouth. Easy. It was an easy task for Evans to deceive Stephens. But all that fiddling about under the blanket. He was covered with a blanket and he was trying to fix that problem. Problem related to the top collar, created by the top collar. It was slipping off the back stud, I have already told you. That had been far more difficult than they had ever bargained for. To bargain for means to expect something to happen and be prepared for it. They had never thought that that little problem was going to be very much difficult. Everything else had gone beautifully smoothly except that little problem. They were able to handle everything successfully, smoothly, without any hindrance. Though in the car, he had found everything they had promised him. His friends had promised to him that they would provide him everything needed to escape from that jail. So, in the car, he had found everything he needed. What are the things he found in the car? He found a cake of soap, he found some water, he found some clothes, he found the map. Yes, the map, of course. Map was an integral part. The map was an integral part of their plan. The Ordnance Survey map of Oxfordshire. Oxfordshire is a name of an area. The Ordnance Survey map of Oxfordshire. That map was going to help him a lot. He had got some good friends. Some of his friends were really good. Some very clever friends. Those friends were really clever friends. They had thought about those parts of the plan which they were sure were going to be successful in helping Evans escape from that jail. Christ. The name Christ here has been used to show surprise. He unlocked his bedroom door and closed it quietly behind him. After reaching the door of his room, he unlocked his bedroom door, and after entering the room, he closed the door without making any sound. He closed the door quietly and then stood frozen to the spot. But suddenly he saw something in his room, and his condition was like that of a statue. He was frozen to the spot, like a man who had just caught a glimpse of the Gorgon. The Gorgon. Children, I would like to stop here. There were 3 sisters in the ancient world of Greek. Those sisters had snakes on their heads, and whenever those sisters looked at anyone, that person used to become like a stone. So Evans stood there frozen to the spot, as if he had seen a gorgon, as if he had caught a glimpse of the gorgon. Thank you, children.